Alright, we got the Honda Accord here, 9th June 2013 to 2017. Dealer considers this is what's burning the oil, alright? So we're gonna replace it, so when we go to them, we do have an answer. We did change, alright? Original PCV valve, part number 1713058 like apple 2 A like apple 01, alright? That's the PCV valve. Alright, so we're gonna need a small ratchet, extension, swivel, and a number 10 socket, alright? You could use different tools as long as you work the magic, alright? So we have the PCV valve. You see this piece right here? That's the piece right there, alright? So all you need to do is get in there. If you want to stand in front of the car, it's up to you. And there you go. It's gonna be tight, but it's gonna break itself loose. Real simple. Once you have the bolt loose, you can use your hands. Even if you get a longer extension, you can reach it out from here. Alright, so the 10mm bolt comes out. That's put it right there. And this valve, if you need to, you're gonna have to twist it a little bit and pull it out. There you go. You have more than enough clearance for it to come out just like that. Alright, so same piece, alright? So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take a little bit of oil, fresh oil. We're gonna put it around this O-ring right here. A little bit around this O-ring. And we're gonna stick this back in. Alright, so he got fresh oil on his fingers. So just give it a little touch all around. On the front seal also, there's 2 seals. Alright, there you go. And that's gonna give it a little slickness for you to slip it right back in, alright? Alright, so to put this back in, you're gonna just take this PCV valve, make sure you put the lube on it. Yeah, be careful, it's hot. Alright, just like that. A little bit of clearance. You're gonna have to push the little harness to the side, and the valve is in. You line it and put the bolt in. Make sure that the PCV valve and the valve cover is flush. After that, you take your ratchet and just give it tightness by hand. All right, you don't need to go crazy. You don't want to break the PCV valve and the valve cover gasket. And that's it. According to Honda, this should no longer burn oil. We're gonna give it a 1 liter test and then back to the dealer, which I doubt is the problem because we tried this before too, but we did need to make some paperwork. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. Job is done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and keep an eye on your oil on your engine. All right, bye bye.